Water purity test. Main How to disinfection of water. There are various methods like boiling, chlorination, UV rays, ozone gas. The best method is boiling, and second one best method for purification of water is the chlorine. But in chlorine, there is no effect on spore, cyst, cyclops, hepatitis A virus, polio virus, ova. So, how to do chlorination of water? Chlorine act best if pH is 7. In that, 33% available chlorine in bleaching powder and 2.5 gram bleaching powder can disinfect 1000 liter of water. Main disinfection action are due to hypochlorous acid, that is 90%, and 10% is hypochlorite ions. Uh, how Chlorine demand estimation we can do by the Horrocks apparatus, in that 6 white cup and 1 black cup. In one the black cup we add water and we add the starch iodide. In remaining 6 white cup, the solution which are made in the black cup, we add 2 drops in each um, cups. Then N is the number of first cup to show color changes. The formula for that is N into 2 gram of bleaching powder disinfect 455 liter of water. Now, recommend free or residual chloride level in distilled water is more than or equal to 0.5 milligram per liter. Now, residual chlorine level can be estimated by chloroscope, or there is one test is OT test, that is orthotolidine test, and a second test is orthotolidine arsenide test. OTA test, that is orthotolidine arsenide test, is better as it is the unaffected by the inorganic impurities. Whereas in orthotolidine test, free chloride level, total chloride level. In orthotolidine arsenide, we in that we estimate free chloride level and combined chloride level. OTA is better than OT test as free and combined levels separately, not affected by inorganic impurities in water. Now, there are bacterial indicators of water quality. First, bacteria is E. coli, that is also known as coliform, that is overall best indicator for water quality. Then second one is fecal streptococci, that is a recent. If we see the fecal streptococci, that is a recent contamination of drinking water. Then if we saw Clostridium perfringens or Welchii, that is remote contamination. Then there are certain methods of removing of hardness of water, like uh, temporary method, in that calcium magnesium salt of bicarbonate. In permanent method, we use the calcium magnesium salts of sulfates, chlorides, and nitrates. Softening of distilled water if the hardness is more than 150 milligram per liter. So, if we find the coliform in drinking water like E. coli, there is some screening test like presumptive coliform test, and a diagnostic test is ejectment test. So that's all about the purification of water.